Hey guys, Tim here, and tonight I am reviewing Cicada. This is a fun movie. Um, it's a All of My Neck Productions movie. Music by Paul Gillis. Where's the director? Written, directed, and edited by David Willis. This movie is really fun. It's very low budget. It's about like this these people, and they're like trying to escape these gigantic cicadas or whatever they're called. But it's really fun. The CGI effects are really funny. They're really cheesy. And there's a lot of cool stuff in this movie. I really like the characters. They're funny. This isn't really a good movie, but I still really enjoyed it. There is some gore. Most of it is CGI. A lot of the stuff in the movie is CGI and like green screen. That's really cool. If you hear them, then you are already dead. After a environmental disaster, four cynic friends, led by a disgraced baseball player, must band together to defend Los Angeles from a horde of giant, bloodthirsty cicadas. This movie's fun. This movie's just funny. There's the cover art. There's the back cover. Just a really fun. This one's better than that one movie. 1,000 times better than. That movie's so bad I don't remember its name. It's better than Yeah, this movie's just really fun. Lots of CGI gore, cheesy gore effects, CGI. Lots of cicadas. Yeah, this movie's bad, but it's fun. Okay, guys, that's the end of this review. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Wild Eye, for sending me these awesome movies to review. I really enjoy them. And check out some Wild Eye movies. Go to their website and their YouTube channel. And that's all going to be in the link in the description.